In this video, we'll be going over the WordPress dashboard. In order to access the dashboard, go to your website and click on the login link on the bottom left. Alternatively, you can access the dashboard by adding in /wp-admin after your website URL. For example, if my domain is travelerblogger.com, I'll enter www.travelerblogger.com/wp-admin. Enter your username and password and then log in. When you log in, the dashboard is the first screen you'll see. The WordPress interface contains three sections: the main navigation bar on the left, the quick access toolbar at the top, and the main work area. The main navigation bar on the left is the command center of your website. All of the content creation and administrative tasks will be performed from this navigation bar. Hovering over these items will reveal additional subpanels specific to the item you are hovering over. At the bottom of the navigation menu, you can opt for more screen estate by collapsing the menu. The quick access toolbar contains quick links to the most common tasks. Hovering over the WordPress icon will give you additional options: a link to the official WordPress website, documentation, support forms, and provide feedback. Hovering over the name of your website will bring up the option to view the front end of your website. Hovering over the comments icon will give you the option to view, approve, or delete new comments. Hovering over the new button will give you options to create a new post, upload media, create a new page, or add a new user. When you hover over your username on the right hand side, you're given the links to edit your profile or log out. If you are logged in, this quick access toolbar will always be at the top. Whether you're at the back end or front end of your website, this can be turned off in your user profile settings. The options available on the toolbar will change depending on which section of the website you're on. Let's visit the front end of our website by hovering over the site name and then click on Visit Site. Notice how when you are at the front end, if you hover over your site name again, you have a new set of options available to you. If you are viewing a post, notice you have a new quick link in the top toolbar, letting you edit the post you are currently viewing. To go back to the dashboard, hover over your site name and click Dashboard. The activity panel displays the most recent posts and comments on your website. You can moderate comments from this panel by hovering over and clicking. You can approve or unapprove the comments. You can reply to the comments, edit the comment, mark it as spam, or delete the comment. Quick Draft enables you to quickly create a post. Very useful for noting down any ideas you may have and saving it as a draft. To make a quick draft, enter a title, add some content and click Save Draft. To access any recent drafts you have created, simply click the link at the bottom of the panel.